Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 BMW 328i xDrive. This one's jet black. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 280 horsepower. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. On the interior we've got black leather, sunroof, 328i xDrive badging. Opened up the tailgate. Got a set of WeatherTech floor mats and regular floor mats. Alongside, wood trim, power windows, memory seats, power seats, steering wheel controls, push start ignition, media display, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, 8-speed automatic transmission, sports and eco mode. This 3 Series has 96,894 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this 3 Series, check out feldmanimports.com.